Why Salesforce buying Contentful changes everything. In case you missed the recent news, Salesforce just officially announced their intent to acquire the digital content platform Contentful. Now, when this news came out, almost everyone reacted the same way. Oh, they bought a CMS. They want to help companies build better websites. I think it's a massive oversimplification. And honestly, it's a complete misunderstanding of where technology is actually going. We have to ask a foundational question. Why do we create enterprise content in the first place? To communicate. But what happens when the entity you need to communicate with isn't a human, but an AI agent? Salesforce isn't buying a tool to build web pages. They're buying a structured memory for Agentforce. And you should not miss this architectural shift. Hey, I'm Shrey Sharma, your Salesforce Hulk. So let's break down what's actually happening here beyond the marketing hype. Number one, the content layer, not a CMS. What is Contentful really? People think it's just a place to write blogs. It's not just that. It's an API-first composable content graph. Compare that to how we traditionally work. We write a page, format it with nice colors, and human reads it. But an AI agent like Agentforce doesn't care about your fonts. It needs raw, machine-readable truth. Think of it like a commercial kitchen. If you hire a highly advanced robot chef, that's your AI. You don't hand it a fully baked pizza and ask it to cook. You hand it raw, perfectly organized ingredients, flour, tomatoes, cheese. Contentful is that ingredient layer. It completely removes the human bottleneck of publishing. The AI agent can just go in, pull the exact pieces of information it needs, and assemble a hyper-personalized email or service response in real time. If your company's knowledge is currently stuck in static PDFs or traditional web pages, your AI is essentially blind. Number two, completing the Agentic Stack. Now look at the broader strategy. Everyone right now is chasing the hype of autonomous agents. But an agent on its own is just a reasoning engine. It's like a brain without a body. Salesforce realized that actually to empower businesses, they needed to align three things: data, reasoning, and content. Data is the fuel, Agentforce is the reasoning engine, and now Contentful is the guardrail. You don't want a language model hallucinating on your company's legal policy or randomly guessing your return guidelines. You want it to fetch the exact governed, human-approved component. This is the difference between a consumer AI toy you play with on the internet and an enterprise system you can actually trust to run your operations safely with. Alright, number three, the integration reality check. Let's be brutally honest about the timeline here. The marketing narrative will always make it sound like this is happening tomorrow. But look at history. Look at the acquisitions of Slack or Tableau. Buying a company is just a financial transaction. Integrating a new nervous system into a massive platform takes years. The deal is targeted to close in late 2026. Realistically, you're not going to see deep, seamless, native agentic integration until 2027 or maybe 2028. And that is okay. Speed is much less important than clarity right now. The mistake people make is thinking they don't have to prepare until the software is fully ready. If you are in a regulated industry like healthcare or finance, this is your signal. You need to start structuring your content today. So when the technology actually matures, you have a solid foundation to stand on. So where does this leave us? For 20 years, we have built the internet for human consumption. Every system, every workflow was designed assuming a human was sitting behind a screen. This acquisition is the clearest signal yet that the primary consumer of your business data is shifting from a human to a machine. But this isn't about technology replacing the human. It is the exact opposite. It's about taking the mundane, repetitive task of assembling information away so the human worker can focus on actual strategy, actual relationships, and actual empathy. The technology is just a tool to elevate us. The real question is, are you structuring your business to take advantage of it, or are you still trying to hand a baked pizza to a robot chef? The choice is yours. We cover these updates so you can get a clear picture of what happened and why. Well, I can also have a conversation with you on many more Salesforce and tech-related topics one-on-one at Dreamforce 2026. So if you're going to be there, then just register on the link in the description and get a chance to meet Salesforce Hulk. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.